Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make an interlocking logo using Canva. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to text. We're going to add the text that we want, and we're going to change the font. Duplicate, add the next letter. Then I'm going to change the color of this one, change the size, okay, so now I'm going to duplicate the page. Okay, so now we're going to save this page as a PNG with transparent background. Once the download is completed, we're going to re-upload to Canva. Okay, so now we are going to get rid of this page. Get rid of the S. Add this one. Now we are going to adjust the size. After adjusting the size, we're going to duplicate. Then we're going to crop. Once it is cropped, you can add whatever elements you want to add. And here you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel for